turn. Car people, we love our cars. I'm definitely one of them. And the thing is, you know, your car doesn't always have to look like this. Some people just love their cars no matter what they look like, and they have fun with them. Some of them use them as show cars, and a lot of people are just from point A to point B people. Hi, Sassy. We love our cars so much that when we park somewhere, before we walk in, we turn around and take one more look. Maybe get a picture or two. And believe it or not, some of us actually name our cars. This, for example, is Ashley, and I can actually show you the moment that I fell in love with her. It was the first time I ever heard her sing. I knew my wallet was in trouble the moment I heard that sound. Now listen, a car doesn't have to look like Ashley for someone to love it. I ran into a guy named Ethan last night at the gas station. He also has a car that he loves, and that car has a name. It's Skelestang. So your cousin named it?
Yeah, cousin named it Skelestang. It's
because the skeleton is exposed.
Yep.
I want to see the back here. I like it. Again, that sticker's funny because it's really flipping off forward. It's not flipping off the person behind you. If they try to do a roadside test, they're like, okay, turn signals.
I got turn signals on this one.
On this one? What? Let me see.
See, I gotta do that.
Ah, I gotcha.
But
Yeah.
say if I turn my lights on, then it won't do it.
I gotcha.
So,
But in the moment, you could flick it.
Yeah.
And, yeah.
and then I gotta rewire the right one.
Yeah.
The right one. So.
That battery's going nowhere. Yeah, Skelestang is no garage queen, but what can she do?
Damn. Look at this over here, bro. Holy.
They didn't pop though.
Yo. Damn.
Gotta do it again.
I was like telling him to stop, and he looked at me like, yeah. I was waiting for him to. I was waiting to hear it.
That's how you send it, Bobby.
And that is the Skelestang. Now, would I trade Ashley for that one? Hell no.